Welcome to day 23 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll be solving a problem where we find Armstrong numbers between two given numbers, a and b. Armstrong numbers are those numbers where the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. Here's the problem statement. Given two numbers, a and b, we need to print all the Armstrong numbers, starting from a to b. If there are no Armstrong numbers in the given range, we'll print 1-point input. The first line of input contains an integer representing a. The second line of input contains an integer representing b. Output. The output should contain all the Armstrong numbers from a to b separated by a space. If there are no Armstrong numbers, print. Sample input and output are also been given for your reference. To make sure you don't miss any of our Python coding challenge, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful.